That used car you're eyeing? It might be hiding a $15,000 secret. Frame damage is the silent killer of resale value, and dealers know how to hide it. I'm about to show you the 7 signs they pray you'll never notice. In 2026, over 6 million used cars have undisclosed accident history. That's because modern body shops can make a totaled car look showroom fresh. But they can't hide everything. You just need to know where to look. Sign number 1, the door gap test. Walk around the car and check every door, hood, and trunk gap. They should be perfectly even on both sides. If one gap is wider, that's your first red flag. The frame underneath got twisted in a collision. Sign 2, the paint overspray trick. Open every door and look at the rubber seals, bolts, and plastic trim. See paint where there shouldn't be any? That's overspray from frame repair. Factory paint never touches these areas, but body shops always miss this detail. Number 3, the tire wear pattern. Frame damage throws off the alignment permanently, causing uneven tire wear. Check all 4 tires. If one side is bald, but the other looks new, the seller can replace the tire, but they can't hide what caused it. Sign 4, the welding marks nobody mentions. Get under the car with your phone flashlight. Look at the frame rails. Factory welds are smooth and uniform. Fresh repair welds look rough and inconsistent. Also look for areas that are cleaner than others. They sandblasted before welding. Number 5, the creased frame secret. While you're under there, run your hand along the frame rails from front to back. They should be perfectly straight and smooth. Any ripples, buckles, or creases, walk away immediately. That's impact damage, and it can never be truly fixed. Sign 6, the bolt head inspection. Check the bolts that attach major suspension and frame components. Factory bolts have consistent markings and 0 scratches on the heads. Stripped, scratched, or mismatched bolts mean someone was doing major structural work here. And number 7, the window and sunroof test. Stand back and look at the reflections in all the windows and glass panels. The reflection lines should be perfectly straight across every panel. If the line breaks, waves, or doesn't align, the body panels are misaligned. That only happens when the frame underneath has been compromised and poorly repaired. Here's what dealers don't tell you. Frame damage can hide for years, but eventually the cracks spread, the alignment gets worse, and the value tanks. Plus, in a second accident, that compromised frame won't protect you. Bonus tip, always get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic. They have frame measuring tools that can detect damage you'd never see visually. It costs around $150 in 2026, but it can save you from a $15,000 mistake. Let's recap the 7 signs of hidden frame damage. 1. Check for uneven door, hood, and trunk gaps. 2. Look for paint overspray on seals and trim. 3. Inspect all 4 tires for uneven wear patterns. 4. Check underneath for fresh welding marks. 5. Feel frame rails for any creases or buckles. 6. Look at bolt heads for scratches and mismatches. And 7. Check glass reflections for wavy lines. Save this video, share it with anyone buying a used car this year, and follow for more insider secrets dealers don't want you to know. Because knowledge is power when you're spending thousands on wheels.